What's up, friends? Today in this video I'm going to show you how to make deposit into your BitGet exchange. It does not matter from which exchange you are sending from, the process is the same. Okay, now first of all, you have to know what is the cryptocurrency that you want to deposit. For the purpose of this video, I'm going to be making use of my Binance account, and on the screen here is my Binance account. So in my Binance account I have a crypto that I'll be using for this tutorial. Okay, now in my spot wallet you discover that I have USDT here of $14. So I want to transfer this USDT from here and deposit it into my BitGet account, and this is my BitGet account. If you do not have a BitGet account, I'm going to drop the link for the registration in the description of this video. You click on the link, you register. It is very simple and easy to make use of. Okay, so in order to deposit any crypto into this wallet, irrespective of whatever type of crypto it is, just hit on this asset button here. Then from these options here you see add funds, so you click on add funds. Okay, when you click on add funds, this is what is going to display. Now another way is from the home page you can see add funds here, which is this one. It is the same thing. So once you click on it, it will bring you to this page where you have deposit crypto, credit, debit card, P2P, bank transfer, and third party. Okay, now we're interested in this very one because what we want to do is we want to deposit crypto into this wallet. So we'll click on deposit crypto. Then here we have a list of different cryptocurrency. So we make use of this search bar, then type the cryptocurrency, the name of the cryptocurrency that we want to deposit into this wallet. And for this video we'll be depositing USDT, like I said earlier. So you click on USDT. Then on this page you will have to select the network. Now there are different networks upon which this USDT is built, ranging from BEP20, TON, Solana, TRC, and the rest of them. Okay, now you select which network do you want to make use of. Now for this video I'll be making use of BEP20. Now the reason I'm making use of BEP20 is because the gas fee is less. That is, if I'm transferring from any other exchange into this exchange, the gas fee is less compared to others. Okay, Polygon is also okay, but for the purpose of this video we'll be selecting BEP20. So I'll just click on it. That is the Binance Smart Chain. Then here is the address. Okay, so you click on this icon here, that is the copy icon, to copy the address that we're going to send the crypto into. Then I will go to my Binance account, and sorry, it wants me to authorize it. Okay, I'll go to my Binance account. I'm going to click on USDT. Okay, then I will hit on this withdraw button. Okay, because we are withdrawing from this exchange and we are depositing into BitGet. Okay, so you click on withdrawal. Then from these two options that appear here, we select send crypto, send via crypto network. All right, so once you click on it, it will bring us to this page where we shall make use of this first bar to impute the address that we copied. Okay, just click on okay, this is just a notification. All right, so just paste the address here. I'm trying to paste the address. Okay, I've done that. Then here it is very important you select the network. Okay, please make sure that the network that you are to select here will be the same with the one from which you copied the address in the BitGet exchange. Remember, I copied BEP20. Okay, since I copied BEP20 here, I'm going to select BEP20, which is the first one. Please take note of this. Do not use BEP20 for Polygon or use it for any other networks. If you do so, your crypto will be lost, and it will be lost forever. Okay, so I will select the Binance Smart Chain right now. Then I will impute the amount here, the amount of the crypto that I want to withdraw. This is the available balance that I have, which is 14.8 USDT. So if I want to send all of them, I will just click on this max button. Otherwise, I will make use of here and impute the amount that I want to send. Okay, so for the purpose of this video, I'll be sending all of them, so I'll just hit on the max button. All right, and after that I will click on the withdraw button. Once all is confirmed, okay, I'll click on the withdraw button. Then it will bring me here where I will need to do the confirmation. Okay, I will have to check through. This is the network that I selected, this is the address, this is the withdrawal amount, this is the network fee, and I'm withdrawing from my spot wallet. Okay, so I'll hit on the confirm button right now, which is this one. So click on the confirm button, then wait for it. Okay, we'll need to do some verification now. This verification is an email verification. A code has been sent to my email address. So I'll go right now to my email address. I will get the code. Then I will paste the code here. After which I will click on the submit button. Okay. So guys, I've gotten the code and I've imputed it and clicked on the submit button. And here it says withdrawal processing. And this is the total amount of USDT that I am withdrawing. So you need to give it time, okay, for the transaction to complete. So I'll just go back to my BitGet account, and once I go back to my BitGet account, I will patiently wait for the crypto token, that is the USDT, which I want to deposit, or which I've transferred already from my Binance account to deposit in this wallet. So let's just give it a little time to complete the transaction. So after having waited for a few seconds, I received a message that the transaction has been completed. So now I will go to my BitGet exchange to know whether it has dropped. So this is my BitGet exchange. I'll click on the asset button. Then here is the USDT that I just deposited. Okay, so guys, it is very, very simple. Okay, the procedure is very, very simple. If you find this video helpful in any way, click on the subscribe button to subscribe to this YouTube channel. Turn on the notification bell so that each time I drop videos like this in this channel, you get notified. Thank you for being with me till the end of this video, and I hope to see you in my next video.